Mars Comfort Food, lalo na kung ile-level up pa natin yan. Sige, Pars JC, para i-share ang kanyang na-discover na ramen hack na talaga namang Mars Masarap!
Gusto ko yung hack ito, Mars.
Oo, hack
diba?
siya. Okay, so...
Actually, ito, napanood ko lang to sa online eh. So, sobrang dali lang niya. So, you'll get the egg.
Okay.
Alright.
So, are we all gonna do this together?
Sige, sabayan mo na ako.
Mukhang, effort.
Halika na, Mars.
Okay.
So, egg muna, tas kanya-kanya tayong salok nung...
Egg.
Okay, pwede bang egg?
Sige. Then, after the egg, this one, the garlic.
Garlic Mars.
Garlic na garlic.
Then, the mayo.
Okay.
Okay. Na-excite ako dito,
Kaya
ah.
nga eh.
And then the mayo. Ano tong mayo, Pars? Japanese mayo ba to? Or
Normal,
regular mayo lang?
Regular mayo.
Okay.
And then, this one.
Para siyang, may mga seasoning, Mars. Feeling ko, ha?
Yan, flavoring niya.
Yung
And then,
powder.
You mix it.
Mix. Ah,
Yung
yung
seasoning
mismong
niya.
seasoning ng noodles.
Okay.
Ah.
Tapos ipiprito na ba natin?
Scrambled egg ba to, Pars? Okay, I'm done.
Alright,
Okay.
yan.
Tapos niyan.
Noodles and...
Ah, okay.
Okay.
And the soup.
Yan, para siya magiging cheesy noodle soup. Cheesy ramen.
Okay. Eh, ito, ano tong noodles na to? Chicken noodles lang,
Chicken
ganyan?
or beef?
Instant chicken noodles, okay.
Ah, wait, sa kanina hindi garlic cheese yun.
Hindi, may garlic din. And then, parang magiging cheesy ramen siya.
Thank you so much for that.
Alright.
Okay. Sabi ko na tong ating mga
Oops.
something.
Pahingi po.
Uy! Yeah! Alam mo, perfect to kasi di ba lately medyo maulan din.
Sobra.
Di ba, Mars? Kaya nagki-crave talaga tayo ng noodles lately. Mars, JC, di ba meron ka ring food business na microwavable food packs?
Yes, it's called Eat Well.
Okay.
Actually, inano ko siya, it's a franchise din. Pero sa mga friends pa lang siya pinapa-franchise. So, it's a microwavable meal. Good for 7 days siya pag naka-chiller.
Good for 7 days siya sa chiller.
Sa chiller. And then, 3 minutes lang in a microwave. Tapos, okay na siya. Ready to eat.
Oh! Tapos ito, iba't ibang klaseng ulam ba to?
Yes, iba-ibang klaseng ulam siya. May tapsilog, long silog, chicken kalbi, beef kebab.
Wow!
Chicken kalbi.
So perfect sa mga busy moms na
Yes.
work from home. So
Tapos
kapag...
ang maganda dito kasi, sobrang clean yung pagkaayos sa kanya, yung pagka-prepare. So, very perfect for the pandemic.
Right. Kumbaga clean, kaya eat well.
Kaya eat well. Tapos yung commissary talagang underwent parang certification na it's super.
At least dito,
Alam mo
sure
na
malinis.
at healthy.
Yes.
So eto na siya, Mars, nung hinalo ko yung ating noodles.
Okay.
Looky, nagmukha talaga siyang ramen. Wala, oo nga. I'm so excited to try it.
4M. Okay.
Tikman na yan! Salamat sa pahack, Pars JC.
Oo.
Aray.
Tikman na to, guys!
Let's try it.
Kumusta, Mars? Sarap. Ito, nag-try ko muna yung sabaw.
Sarap.
What a surprise!
Sarap.
Lasang ramen siya. Hindi ko inakala.
Nagulat ka ba, Mars?
Oo na yung hinalo-halo natin ganun. Well,
Tsaka yung may mayonnaise.
In fairness.
Grabe, talaga siya makaka-happy.
Hindi ko na-picturean yun,
Wow!
Solid.
Thanks, Pars!
Solid,
Yes,
solid.
sarap.
Perfect for the weather talaga.
Nice one, Pars. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.